Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to do second and third question of 3.1 exercise. In question number 2, what is given to us? The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for 3900 rupees. मतलब कि 3 बैट और 6 बॉल खरीदने के जो पैसे लगे वो कितने लगे 3900 rupees. Later she buys another bat. Another bat means 1 more bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Now dear students, total cost is given to us. So we have to make the equation of the cost. But the cost, number of bats and balls are mentioned to us, but the cost is not given to us. So let us assume the cost of bat as X rupees and cost of ball as Y rupees. So let us start with this. Let the cost of 1 bat is equal to X rupees and cost of 1 ball is equal to Y rupees. Now dear students, in first line what they have given to us, that she bought 3 bats and 6 balls for 3900, means their combined cost is given to us. For combination we will take plus. Similarly in second line she bought another bat, n means 1 bat and 3 balls for 1300 rupees. That means their combination plus 1300. Now the cost of 1 bat is X rupees, therefore the cost of 3 bats कितनी हो जाएगी is 3x. Let us put the variables. Plus cost of 1 ball is Y rupees, therefore the cost of 6 balls is equal to 3900 rupees. So we will write 3900. Similarly in second equation, cost of 1 bat is X rupees, so 1x plus 3y is equal to 1300 rupees. Is it clear to you? So these are the 2 equations in 2 variables. Dear students, one more thing I want to tell you, that if in any one of the equation, if you will find that all the coefficient numbers are the multiple of a common number, then we can throughout cancel that common factor, like 3, 6 and 3900. All these numbers are the multiples of 3. So we can reduce this equation as 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and this is 1300, like this. So the new equation will become 1x plus 2y is equal to 1300. So once again I am writing the combination x plus 2y is equal to 1300 and x plus 3y is equal to 1300, like this. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Dear students, remember, if you are cancelling out, if you are taking out any common factor, you have to cancel it on both the sides of equality, left hand side as well as on right hand side. So in this way we'll get 2 equations. Now this is the algebraical representation of the statement. This is the algebraical representation. Now we have to represent it graphically. Now as you know, in the previous lecture I taught you how to represent them graphically. To represent them graphically, see, the first equation is x plus 2y is equal to 1300. We have to take one variable to the other side. It is plus 2y. When it goes to right hand side it will become minus 1300 minus 2y. And the variable whose coefficient is 1 is taken alone. Now by assuming the value of y ourselves, we can get minimum 3 values of the other variable. Like If y is 500, means the cost of one ball is 500. Then let us find out the cost of bat. X is equal to 1300 minus 2 into 500 is equal to 1300 minus 1000, and 1300 minus 1000 is 300. So x is 300, y is 500. Just put them in the table. 300, 500. In second case, I assumed that the cost of ball is 400. When the cost of ball is 400, after putting this value in this equation, we got the cost of bat. It is 500. When the cost of ball, the value of y I assumed is 300, then we will get x is equal to 700. Similarly, dear students, we can take for the second equation, we will take 3y to another side, it will become minus 3y. So by assuming the values of y ourselves, हम अपने आप assume करेंगे. Ball can be of 100 rupees, 200, 300, 400, कुछ भी ले सकते हैं हम values. We can take any value. Whatever value we will take, we will solve x for that value. 1300 minus 3 into y. 3 into y is 200, means 600. 1300 minus 600 is 700. So we'll get all the three values for second variable also. Put the values in the table. Now we will plot these coordinates on the graph. So because all the coordinates are positive, so I have shown only the which quadrant? I have taken only first quadrant. This is x-axis. X is the cost of one bat. X is the cost of one bat. So cost of bat we are representing on x-axis. Similarly, write it here, cost of one ball on y-axis. So this is your graph. Make this on graph and mark the numbers like this on every box, at the vertex of every box. Now dear students, let us start plotting the so let us start with this. Let us start with the first column. In first column, x is 300 and y is 500. So we have taken x, cost of bat, and on y, cost of one ball. And on every line, I have written the 100, 200, 300 because in the table I am having these values. So first value is 300 and 500. Here is x. On x-axis, here is 300. On y, we have to move this line till the y is equal to 500. Like this. So mark it. Now second value is x 500, y 400. So here is x 500 and y is 400. So let's move on to this point. 400, that is 400. Then third is x 700, y 300. Here is x 700 and y 300. So start moving from 7. This is 2 and 300. So we will mark it here. So as I told you, these are the linear equations. Join these points using the scale. Join these points using the scale like this. You will definitely get a straight line if your calculation is correct. Now let us represent the second line. And also we will write x plus 2y is equal to 1300 on this line. X plus 2y is equal to 1300. This is our first line. Now let us start plotting the points of second line. X is 700, y is 200. X is 700, y is 200. So we will move 200. Now second value x 400, y 300. X 400, y 300. So let us mark it here. Then next is x 100, y 400. X is 100, y is 400. So we'll move here like this. So in this way we'll get 3 points. Let us join them again using the scale, as it is a line equation. This line is representing a So dear students, in this way you'll get the two lines, intersecting lines. Use scale to join these points. So I hope this is the graphical representation, and I hope it is clear to all of you. So do this question yourself. Try it yourself first of all, okay? And then to represent them graphically, use graph paper.